ये एपिसोड डेडिकेटेड है टू ऑल द मिसफिट्स, आर्टिस्ट्स एंड स्टोरी टेलर्स.
For some god awful reason, it became the community of all the misfits. For all the rejects, all Lahore rejects.
And that's the best community to be in, I think.
आज हम बात कर रहे हैं साद शेख से, जो एक डांसर, फिल्म मेकर और द कॉलोनी के फाउंडर हैं.
मीना, तुम्हारे डांस करने का शौक है?
मुझे
हाँ.
जी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा शौक है डांस करने का. आई
Seriously?
फील डांस हैज़ बिन अ वेरी इंटेग्रल पार्ट ऑफ हु आई एम. बचपन
never
से
seen you dance.
या वो मेरे लिए एक escape है जो बड़े प्राइवेट मेरे अपने जोन में होता है. व्हेन आई फील लाइक I'm not feeling okay, it's a way of telling my system that everything's okay and we'll get through this.
I think dance or any art is what makes us human.
Yeah, yeah.
basically. It's an expression.
Yeah.
And I think it's good कि हमारे पास जो guest हैं,
Yeah.
we can talk a lot about it and just go
Yeah,
here
yeah.
and there on the topic. So why don't you introduce him?
Okay, perfect. So आज की हमारी discussion is going to be revolving around performing arts in Pakistan. अगर किसी को इसके बारे में passion है तो वो किस तरह develop हुआ, उसको pursue कैसे किया, are there opportunities in Pakistan. Then we're also going to delve a little into entrepreneurship and also see what kind of things inspire art generally or artists in Pakistan. And the one we have in particular with us is Saad Sheikh. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah, he's a filmmaker. और आपकी वेबसाइट जो थोड़ी बहुत हमने रिसर्च करने की कोशिश की थी उस पर लिखा है कि आप 25 जो हैं फिल्म्स शोज डायरेक्ट कर चुके हैं. हैज़ दैट नंबर इंक्रीज? तो अगर आप है कुछ तो हमें बता दें.
Website slightly पुरानी है. So in terms of musical theatre, yeah, the shows have increased. The curation of the stuff that I've done on stage has increased.
Yeah, for sure. और उसके अलावा ये लाहौर में एक बहुत मज़े का सेटअप है द कॉलोनी के नाम से. If you guys have not checked it out, तो you guys definitely should. It's a place where you can pursue your creative passions, be it dance, be it film भी होती है.
Film, acting, dance, music,
Yeah.
all sorts of performing arts. So visual and performing collectively, it's a combination कि आप सब वहाँ पे.
And I think इनका dance में भी काफी experience है. So I can't pronounce the
Martha Graham.
exactly.
Martha
So
Graham.
that's
To make it easier, लोग Graham technique बोलते हैं.
Okay.
So Martha Graham, just like my last name is Sheikh, Martha Graham's last name is Graham. So
Graham.
people just call it Graham technique to make it easier.
So when you're coming out with the shake technique, you have an in-house studio as well, and then the dance classes and all of that, and जो आपके events भी हो रहे हैं.
I personally think what I can't live without is telling a story. तो बेशक वो फिल्म के साथ बताई जाए, जिस्म के साथ बताई जाए, थिएटर के साथ बताई जाए, लोगों के जिस्म के साथ बताई जाए, consensually.
Thank you for saying that.
तो वो हमारा काम जरूरी है कि हमने कंसेंट के साथ कहानी कैसे बतानी है.
आपकी सारी चीज़ें are very communal. You're sharing it with the community, and again, people apply their whatever the way they want to apply arts and all of that.
Yeah.
कुछ का personal होता है, but all of that. But even the colony and how it's involving people, and I was told that different age groups के लोग आ रहे होते हैं, different backgrounds के लोग आ रहे होते हैं, and that's something you can see in even your branding and all of that.
गिनती में हम लोग 6-7 हैं इस शहर में, और अगर हम लोग साथ नहीं रहेंगे तो फिर क्या होगा.
Exactly.
राइट. तो वो 6-7 लोगों को रहना जरूरी है. उसके बाद हम लोगों को ये कॉन्वर्सेशन जरूरी है कि कौन. सो आई डोंट वांट टू फिल्टर ओनली 16-year-olds, 18-year-olds,
Yeah.
20-year-olds. That just narrows down the streamline of the art. 50-year-olds have great stories to tell, but we cannot we're not at loss of the fact कि 16 साल की बच्ची की कहानी भी बड़ी कमाल हो सकती है.
बिल्कुल.
और ये दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत सीख सकते हैं. तो वो जो कांस्टेंट एक वो है कि एक आइडिया होता है कि आप छोटे हो, आपको नहीं पता.
Yeah.
वो तो हमें रोज सुनने को मिलता है ना कि आप कल के बच्चे आ गए हैं इस काम में, इनको कुछ नहीं पता. तो वो है कि सबको बहुत कुछ पता है, आप सुनो और आप सीखो.
Exactly.
That everybody is supposed to come and make their art.
अब मैं बहुत क्लीशे बात कहूँगा, but it makes sense as well. Art has no barriers ना. You can understand it despite not knowing the language, the emotions आप portray करते हो, and you can obviously take away. आपका हर एक अपना होता है. So it's something that you can't really put in a box like this is art, this is not, or this is how you should do it. So I think वो art again is something that makes us human as well. It's the expression. We all express, right? हमारी conscious and we express that. So I think it's an innate thing of being a human being, right? So it's very close to us.
Absolutely.
And when you celebrate it and you create a space where people can come and celebrate it or just see other people celebrating it, I think that is also...
Yeah, look, the most beautiful thing, and I don't take the credit for that, it's just somehow God worked in our favor that we are a safe space for everybody. And I somehow think that is reason enough to celebrate that somehow
Exactly.
we are creating a community in which everything is about diversity.
Yeah.
And it's not being questioned. मुझे लगता है कि जब आप एक बात को शोर डंके की चोट पर चीखे मारना शुरू हो जाओ, हम ये कर रहे हैं, हम ये कर रहे हैं, हम ये कर रहे हैं, तो वो उसका एसेंस चला जाता है
Yeah.
कहीं पे। पर अगर वो ऑटोमेटिकली हो रही है और वो इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट लग नहीं रही, क्योंकि that's how I see the world, being diverse and that shouldn't be an important aspect कि हमारे साथ चाइनीज रहते हैं,
Yeah.
हमारे साथ एक black community है। It should be like that. It should be like that and should be accepted like that. So I think that's what happened with the colony. Somehow our niche that we cater to, somehow for some god awful reason, it became the community of all the misfits, for all the rejects,
Yeah.
all Lahore rejects.
And that's the best community to be in, I think.
Yeah.
I love it.
आई थिंक आपकी बातों से ये भी लगता है कि मतलब इट्स ऑल्सो वट एवर द वर्क दैट यू डू, आपकी आर्ट इज़ ऑल्सो रिफ्लेक्टिव ऑफ सॉर्ट ऑफ योर ओन अंडरस्टैंडिंग और योर ओन पर्सनैलिटी एज वेल। आपकी बात से ये लग रहा है कि लर्निंग और ग्रोथ और नॉलेज कितनी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, और उसके साथ कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है हर किसी का पर्सपेक्टिव रिस्पेक्ट करना। जैसे आपने मेंशन किया कि वो बच्चा ही क्यों ना हो, जब एक इंसान अपने अंदर ये चीज़ें को एक्नॉलेज करना शुरू कर देता है, जब उसके लिए बड़ा ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि वो इतना सा बच्चा हो या कोई बहुत बड़ा, उसकी भी बात सुननी है,
Yeah.
तो ऑटोमेटिकली एक पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट भी क्रिएट होता है और एक अच्छा प्रेसिडेंट सेट होता है कि ऑल ऑफ अस कैन बी टुगेदर एंड देन लेट्स सी व्हाट वी कम अप विद।
Absolutely.
और इसी तरह की स्पेसेस होती हैं जहाँ पे आर्ट देन सॉर्ट ऑफ थ्राइव्स इन सच स्पेसेस।
And community spaces are supposed to be like communities.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the world as a community is I can't use the F word, but it's such a bad place to live in right now because there's no tolerance. मुझे नहीं लगता कि my mother doesn't agree with everything that I say. I don't agree with everything but my mother says, but we respect each other's opinion, right? And we live in peace.
परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स जनरली इन पाकिस्तान आर नॉट इनकरेज, ठीक है। सो पहले तो ये आप बड़े कहाँ पे हुए और आपको ये शौक कैसे डेवलप हुआ? वाज दैट समथिंग दैट वाज इन योर फैमिली, वाज इट इनकरेज्ड बाय पीपल इन योर फैमिली, और वाज इट समथिंग दैट यू जस्ट स्टम्बल्ड अक्रॉस एज अ किड एंड वांटेड टू परस्यू इट?
So everybody in my family is either a banker or in the army or is a business. My father was a businessman. So everybody that I know in my family has entrepreneur skills, yes, for sure. So I think maybe I get it from there कि खुद का काम करना है, ऐसे करना है. But art, no one that I know in the family. I was the first black sheep
Okay.
who came to Lahore
Okay.
for work. But I grew up in Pindi.
अच्छा.
And it's a very disciplined वो माहौल, लेकिन मेरे घर का माहौल बिल्कुल disciplined नहीं था. So no curfews.
Okay.
कल स्कूल नहीं जाना, मत जाओ. What I loved about that was that it just helped me think, imagine whatever I wanted to do. I was just free
Yeah.
in my home, and I think I give that credit to my parents, and I do understand that, and I don't take that for granted. ये मुझे बात लाहौर आने के बाद I came to NCA and I realized कि ये इतनी आम बात नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
To have your parents on
Exactly.
your side
Yeah.
is a luxury. It's a privilege. So I am privileged to the core. First thing, I admit that. Right? Secondly, 10 लोग इकट्ठे हुए हैं, my father's like, अब साथ वो ताल का गाना है, उस पर डांस करके सबको दिखाएगा. And I'm like, यार, but I have to. मैं फिर करके दिखाता था. Now, वो जो तुमने माइकल जैक्सन का किया, तो मतलब, so stuff like that encouraged me when I was 6, 7.
Yeah.
Instilled in my memory, this is something I'm really good at. Right? So why not pursue it?
Nice.
The dream job was to serve coffee on the plane. Right? And मेरे अक्सर कोई लोग पूछते थे तो साथ क्या बड़ा होके बनोगे? I was like, flight attendant. And my mother's like, pilot. It's like, flight attendant. I don't want to be a pilot, It's too much responsibility. 300 people. What if, I don't know how to ride a plane. So flight attendant is easy. I get to see the world. I wear a fancy suit.
Yeah.
I get good money. Coffee.
Yeah.
And I can do that. There's no harm in serving coffee, and I'm nice to people. I talk to people. It's fine. But वो नहीं हो सका. Filmmaking ruined my dreams. So I came back to NCA. My mother forced me to go to NCA, which was also very unusual.
Exactly. Yeah.
I got a scholarship outside of the country, and it wasn't a lot of scholarship. There was some amount of scholarship, so I was very happy कि $26,000 मिली है, पर फिर भी मुझे $36,000 देनी थी. I was like, that's too expensive. For 4 years, it's going to be a toll on my family. So my mother said, NCA. I was like, bad hostels. I'm not going to NCA. But फिर यही deal हुई कि you get me a small space, I'll come to NCA. I came to NCA, met, I think it was a mini Pakistan, where you meet people from all over the world. Like, not just Pakistan, but, you see people from Iran as well. And correct me if I'm wrong, there were a lot of ethnicities, Afghanis and different people coming together, this region.
Yeah.
तो that teaches you so much about कि कोयटा में क्या हो रहा है,
Yeah.
हजारा कम्युनिटी का आर्ट क्या है, हुंजा में, ब्रुनशास्की में, या जो भी उनकी वो एक जुबान है स्कर्दू की शिंगली, उसमें क्या हो रहा है, हमारी पश्तो में क्या हो रहा है, पंजाबी में क्या हो रहा है, एंड दैट ओपनड लाइक अनलॉक्ड न्यू आइडियाज. मैं तो एक बर्गर बच्चा था, पिंडी इस्लामाबाद में पला बड़ा था, ब्लू एरिया से आगे का पता नहीं था. तो
ये
you
खुद
know,
कह रहे हैं
No,
हम
but
नहीं
that-
कह
it's good. Like, you
Yeah,
identify
and
that privilege,
I
right?
identified that. फिर मुझे पता चला कि अच्छा पशीन भी एक जगह है बलूचिस्तान में, you know, and then I wanted to go to
Yeah.
Pasheen, and then you know अब ये है कि I've seen all over the country. I've been there. I know the tribes. I'm still not saying I know everything, but I think I figured out that I want to know more
Exactly.
about my own roots. And I still think that if I did go to University of Pennsylvania, that scholarship that came, remember?
Yeah.
So I would just be another. वो जितने भी मेरे दोस्त बाहर गए थे, and I'm friends with all of them. I hope they are not watching this, but you know, वही confused इस्लामाबादी बाप के पैसे में बाहर गए, वापस आए, और अभी भी जिंदगी का कुछ नहीं पता.
I can seriously relate to it because ये एक issue I think in your mid 20s it depends on the spectrum आपके what किस तरह की लाइफ आप सोच रहे हो. So I'm going through that transition myself. So एक
20s is
होता
to
है
screw up. So
Exactly.
screw up all you want.
Exactly.
This is the 20s.
Yeah, but I'm late
In
20s now.
2021.
I'm in my late 20s now, so yeah.
Even more.
But no, that
Yeah.
it makes sense. I think you need to be again whether you're coming from a burger bacha background, you're coming from a different background. You need to resolve that stuff.
देखिए
you
हम
know?
लोग बहुत sheltered थे.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
So वो जब शेल्टर उठता है तो आपको बिल्स भी देने हैं,
Yeah.
आपको मासी की तनख्वाह, इंटरनेट का बिल, डिश, टीवी, ये सब कुछ चाहिए अगर लग्जरी में पैदा हुए थे, और अगर आपको
Exactly.
मेंटेन करनी है तो देन आपको फिर शान चाट मसाले का भी ऐड बनाना है.
Mhm.
फिर आपको गुल अहमद की लॉन, चलो ब्रांड का नाम नहीं
ना
लेते,
ले।
कोई भी आपने किसी लॉन का ऐड करना है, तो मैं मॉडल्स के दुपट्टे भी उड़ाता हूँ. दैट इज फॉर पेइंग द बिल्स.
Mhm.
देन देयर कम्स मिडनाइट. जब सिंड्रेला का आवर खत्म हुआ तब मेरा घंटा शुरू होता है, और तब वहां पे मैं लिखता हूँ अपने लिए, तब मैं ड्रीम करता हूँ अपने लिए, तब मैं आर्ट बनाता हूँ अपने लिए. And that's the art that I know will cater to the niche.
There's always this problem. Why is that YouTube view count not increasing? And that is devastating now because with the social media age, Instagram and all of that, it's all about likes and DMs or whatever, shares and all of that. So how do you, because you know you seem like a very resolved guy.
Because I'm not an entertainer, I'm an artist. So for entertainers, that view is very important.
Yeah.
For entertainers, if they have a certain amount of followers and if they get a certain amount of views, they get sponsorship proposals, and that's their job. So I
Yeah.
say fair enough, that's their job.
Yeah.
Entertaining people on social media is not my job.
Okay.
My job is to create art. So, but this is a very thin line because we're in the same fraternity. तो आप इधर हुए तो आप इधर आ गए हो. And I see a lot of people with artistic backgrounds going into entertainment because it's a lot of money and it's good money.
And
And
again-
why not?
Pay the bills and all of that, dish TV, all of that, yeah.
Even you have to sell your soul for it, but they do it. I decided not.
Part of it at least.
कॉलोनी
through
इसलिए
art.
बना था क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई जगह नहीं थी. You know, NCA ने मुझे फिल्म ट्रेनिंग दी, थिएटर मैंने 4 साल NCA में किया, I danced there for 4 years, I met the community, but there was no space that was designed to teach people the art of performing,
Yeah.
right? And I was like, if I don't have that, why can't other people have that? And if I have the gift that I can give them something, why not come back and do something like that?
Mhm.
So the colony is for the people who didn't have what.
Exactly.
Yeah.
अच्छा, on that note, so we were again talking about it as well, but normally जो हमारा यहाँ पे निज़ाम है, we see the place such as colony और other उनका नाम नहीं लेते, all over
ले लें।
पाकिस्तान
नहीं ना
नहीं
ले, ना ले,
नहीं लेते I mean, तो उसमें ये होता है, the problem is again which we saying कि यार ये ठीक है, ये जगह है, बहुत अच्छी है, they're doing something, but ये again elites के लिए है, and वो बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को alienate कर देता है. Some people were on the fence about it, like नहीं यार यहाँ तो we're misfit और ये तो बस अमीरों ने अपने अमीरों दोस्तों के लिए बनाई हुई है. So एक तो how do you, because I know your stance on this, but just for the audience, how do you cater it? And इसका because I feel ये problem मेरे personal experience में, I might be wrong, काफ़ी लोगों को रोकता है to get that experience. What's
So
your
what
take
we
on
have
that?
done with, and we knew exactly what will happen with the colony. I mean, to be fair, we didn't know this amount of response आपको पहले शो में इतना अच्छा आ जाएगा, हमें ये नहीं पता था, लेकिन हमें पता था कि ये केटर करती है. एक मजदूर तबके का आदमी आर्ट को एंजॉय नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि उसके पास रोटी नहीं है. वो घर आता है, कहता है पापा रोटी, आपको नहीं है रोटी, आप कैसे उस बच्चे को एक आर्ट स्कूल में डालेंगे, राइट? द फर्स्ट आपकी वो जो मैस्लो हायरार्की की
Exactly,
है,
hierarchy of
उसमें,
needs, yeah.
you need a sense of security, a shelter. So art comes later.
Exactly.
But that's the definition of art that we've been told. Art should be on top, right? It is a need, and it will help you not just be at peace, but also to make money. Who said that art doesn't bring you money?
It wasn't me.
You should do a crash course.
But see, again, that's how art was defined.
Yeah, but for that's how art was defined.
Yeah.
In this part of the world, the evolution of that definition hasn't occurred
Hmm.
yet, right? But we have scholarship seats in every department. So there are 2 seats of scholarship in every department: acting, music, dance. कि अगर आप afford नहीं कर सकते, सिर्फ किसी भी जुबान में, उर्दू या अंग्रेजी में, 300 लफ्जों में आपने हमें बताना है कि why do you need this seat,
Oh.
and you will be taken care of by the colony, right?
Wow, yeah.
If you want to intern at the colony, you're open. No matter from what background you come from, you are free to be a part of the team. So we have made sure कि हम वो करें. 1,000 रुपए का हमारा टिकट होता है, right? जिसमें से हम टैक्स भी देते हैं, वो सब कुछ भी करते हैं. आप मुझे बताइए, आपने लास्ट टाइम हार्डीज गए थे?
Yes, very expensive.
बर्गर कितने का था उसका?
1000 से ऊपर पड़ जाता है.
Yeah,
1100-1200 with tax.
And middle class families can easily go there. पूरी families
हाँ,
बैठ के खाती हैं and everything. McDonald's is a meal can cost you 700 rupees.
Proper meal, yeah.
A proper
The
meal.
big burger and all
You
that.
eat the burger, you go home, you waste it, you wake up the next day.
Mm-hmm.
We are giving you a lifetime experience for 1,000 rupees. You go home, you wake up, you still think about it. You don't waste it.
That's a good
We're
sales
changing your
price.
damn life in 1,000 rupees. You damn well should pay for it. Right?
Yeah.
We're not going to give it to you for free.
Yeah, yeah.
मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि वो, I'm sorry if I'm sounding
No,
wrong,
no.
but I say that अगर वो एक बंदा afford नहीं कर सकता, I want him to save to buy our ticket.
Yeah, yeah.
आप 200 रुपए की जॉब करो, 300 रुपए की जॉब करो, 500 की जॉब करो, और अगर नहीं कर सकते तो come and talk to us, and I swear to God we'll let you in for free. But you need to be desperate to watch art.
Exactly. Yeah. Give it that respect.
Yeah,
yeah.
It gives you that respect.
So
yeah.
यहाँ पे तो ये भी होता है, 1,000 रुपए का टिकट लेके आते हैं, 5 मिनट देखते हैं, फिर कहते हैं अच्छा, फिर चले जाते हैं, या आप अपना फोन यूज कर रहे हैं. Usually people come in to just Instagram it that, oh, we're at the colony
Cool
to
people.
tell you that we are watching this dance show. I want people who just forget about their phones. They have that taste of what we're giving them. और वो घर जाएं, अगले दिन उठें, and then still talk about it.
ये आपके ये जो इतने ज़्यादा पैशन हैं, आपको किसी ने बचपन में नहीं कहा कि एक चीज़ का एक्सपर्ट बन जाओ बस और वही करो?
आज के ज़माने में अगर आप एक चीज़ करोगे ना, तो उसके लिए एक वर्ड है.
Mhm.
You know what that word is? Unemployed. Unemployed. ठीक है? You can't do one thing, और आप पीछे रह जाओगे. ये हमारे दादा के ज़माने में था, तो वो कंस्ट्रक्शन करते हैं, तो फिर अपनी जिंदगी कंस्ट्रक्शन में लगाते हैं. ठीक है, तो वो क्योंकि एक हेवी ड्यूटी काम था. लेकिन अब जो कंस्ट्रक्शन वाले हैं ना, उनका शोरूम भी है साथ में. Why should we just focus on one thing यार? We have film, which is branching out to TV season, fashion films and stuff like that.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
if you know the know-how, 19-20 jano, work on it, get a camera, keep shooting, you'll get better at it.
Mhm,
I'm not saying that first day आप एक शाहरुख खान बन जाएंगे, but आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, jack of all trades is like an expired phenomena. I think one should work on everything. Make money. You only die once. You live every day though.
Yeah.
But you save that money and you live every day.
Yeah.
Spend on it.
And you go to the colony for a show. You say.
You come to the colony for a show. Yeah.
ये भी एक narrative बीच में आ जाता था that अगर you're a pure artist you won't do commercial stuff and all of that, but that's again
It's all a business. We need to
you
understand
sell
it's all a
yourself every
business.
day
Yeah.
and you don't need to make it into a bad thing. Yes, we all are corporate sellouts because we live in a capitalistic society. यहाँ तो जाके
आप
300
मुझे बताएं, अभी आपके पास एक बहुत बड़े डेवलपर है, मलिक रियाज. वो आपके पास आते हैं और कहते हैं कि बैरिया टाउन में मैं आपको 2 कनाल जगह देता हूँ, आप
हाँ.
यहाँ पे अपना स्टूडियो बनाएं.
मैं फोन बनाऊंगा.
आप क्यों नहीं बनाएंगे?
मैं बनाऊंगा सर.
knowing, आप बनाएंगे. Because अब artistic integrities गिर चुकी हैं और capitalist integrities बढ़ चुकी हैं, and that's a human fact. Humans have evolved into capitalists.
Guys, सात शेख के साथ ये conversation इतने मज़ेदार थी that we decided to cut it into 2 parts. So, join us on next Friday, and for now, here are some highlights.
For example, Me Too movement. Right? Let's talk about the Me Too movement. If I'm supposed to work with, and I have had offers to work with 1 or 2 people who may have been I don't know what's the word for it, guilty until accused until accused, just accused. I had to make a strong decision that I don't know what the reality is, but I will stand by my that this is a victim and she's crying out loud, and I'm going to support her. So I had to make that distance from that artist.